Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button. Let's keep holding power key until you see the following menu, swipe down to power off the phone. Then let's find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use some special eject tool or simply the paper pin to open this slot. Now you can remove the whole tray from your device, and here you can insert the microSD and Nano SIM card. As you can see, I just accidentally switched on my device, but it doesn't matter right now. Now let's insert here the microSD with the characteristic edge right here. So let me do it. Let's now insert the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. And let me leave one slot empty. So now let's insert the whole thing into your device right here. And press to the end. Alright, now let's unlock the screen. Here let's choose settings. As you can see here, you can choose SIM cards, and the phone is reading one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. Here you can also choose the storage options. It should be located right here. Let's choose additional settings, tap storage, and here you can read the SD card information, so everything went well, both cards are working properly. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.